Tonight's topic is immigration. I want to come up and bring you up this report card here. 4 years ago, candidate Obama promised to act quickly. So how did the president do? Well, let's bring up the report card. Introduce immigration reform bill his first year. You would have to say the president broke that promise. He never introduced legislation, did talk to the Congress about it, but never submitted an actual bill. Securing the borders, the administration claims significant progress when it comes to securing the borders. It has its many critics, but there are some data that would suggest progress. You'd have to say that one is still a work in progress, but the administration claims progress. How about providing a path to citizenship for undocumented workers? That, of course, is a promise the president has not kept, although he says he is still open.
I would only have broken my promise if I hadn't tried. But ultimately, I'm one man. We live in a democracy. We don't live in a monarchy. I'm not the king. I'm the president. And so I can only implement those laws that are passed through Congress.
He promised he would present legislation and try to get it passed in his first 12 months. He'd said so repeatedly. He to this day, has yet to present it. And to blame Congress when in the first 2 years he had 100% control in the House and the Senate, and now to blame Republicans? Look, the facts just don't add up.
We voted for it. Mario voted for it. I voted for it. When it got to the Senate, they couldn't get 60 votes just to get to a vote. They had 55 votes. Where you don't have the support that is needed, it's just a handful of Republicans. If we don't have that in the Senate, you're never going to get to the 60-vote threshold, and you're never going to get to a vote. And that is what's happening in the United States Congress today.
The president didn't even introduce legislation his first 2 years. He broke that promise. He didn't even talk to any of the Republicans who were the sponsors, including myself, but my brother was the original sponsor of that legislation along with a Democrat. So, again, the question is it being done for political reasons, or are they generally trying to get it done? Is this president trying to get it done? And I think the problem that he's having is that people are understanding that he's no different from any other politician that goes through this town.
This is the difference between President Obama and Mitt Romney. The bill that Mario and I voted for, that was 5 votes shy of getting the 60-vote threshold in the Senate. Let's say it reached it. They had 55 votes. We know it would have passed. Mitt Romney would have vetoed that bill. That's the difference between President Obama's commitment to getting along with everyone in the Senate and in the House to at least get the DREAM Act out. You've got Mitt Romney out there. It's already saying he would veto it.